The state government will now move forward and try to resolve this matter. Already, Deputy CM in charge of both Home and Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs are in the loop. And yesterday, contrary to claims made by one NGO asking where is the government, in fact, it was government officials, the magistrate was on site, constables and SI from the Meghalaya police was also present. They helped to diffuse the situation and also to prevent any possible attacks on Meghalaya. We stand committed to the security of our people. Well, it's very important for them not to shoot in your own leg. We are a small state that has had this problem for decades together. Instead of attacking your own government elected by the voters of Meghalaya, try to work together, try to find a point of synergy, a point of convergence, because in a crucial issue like border dispute, you can't have your own NGOs attacking your own government. So my message to them is, do not treat the government as a punching bag. We are here to perform, we are here to protect our people, and that is a sacred duty for us.